When the steel windows go into our project, it's always the wow factor, I think. You just go back and it's just wow. And I always think it's money well spent.
I love them. I think they're beautiful, stunning, timeless.
They're an aesthetic choice, not a requirement, more of a statement.
The guys know their product back to front and their design knowledge is exceptional, which helps us enormously as a builder because they usually can iron out the problems well before we get into the construction stage. So if you don't have that design knowledge, you're already behind the eight ball. Bass gives me a huge peace of mind when I work with him every time.
I dare say you could go out and find some cheaper steel windows and doors. After working with ADS for so long, we're just not willing to take on that risk.
And the whole process working in with ADS is so easy for us now. It is, yeah. The quoting, their price is always really good. Then the shop drawings come back quick.
What we aim for is sign off on shop drawings. 10 weeks later, everything is installed, glazed and finished.
And I think that's why people keep coming back.
So with our clients, we're working within a millimetre. You can use lasers and whatnot, but the ADS guys actually install with a plumb bob, which they literally run down on either side, measure to the line, and it's just perfect. There's no knocked lasers, there's no misreads, it's just accurate. There's a bit of old school to their method.
Well, we work on some really high-end projects, so not only do we feel the responsibility, we want to deliver to the highest standard.
Dad's drilled that into us since day one, so on the weekends when we were kids, we used to go to work with him for something to do.
They'd be pushing dirt around the floor with a broom, more likely.
He'd show you how to do it the right way, and then he'd always tell us,
if you're going to do a job, do it properly.
If you're going to do a job, do it properly.
It always takes longer to do it twice.
And to this day, that's what we do. We just try and get it right the first time every time. If it's not perfect, then it'll keep me up all night. I won't be able to sleep. As long as I can remember, Dad's always had a pencil in his hand. He's always drawing.
I studied as an architectural draftsman, and design is a big part of what we do. And I've had to do that from day one when we were drawing with pencils and ink, before computers. In fact, every window we have to design from scratch.
Then we manufacture them, and everything is a one-off.
Steel windows are still handmade, just like they always have been. There's no robots involved. There's just too many variables.
Someone draws it, cuts the steel by hand, straightens it, welds it, over to the hardware bench.
All of it is done by hand, then it's off to the powder coaters, finished off, and out it goes.
It is a finished product when it arrives. It's all protected and stacked neatly, and the install is millimetre perfect.
We install everything ourselves. That's the only way we know it's going to be done right.
Well, yeah, they just spot on.
It's really difficult to get people of this calibre because it's all about precision.
It's funny, these designs have been around since the 1920s. In fact, we've pulled some out that are 70 years old.
Caked in layers and layers of paint.
The steel underneath, the paintwork is, after it's been cut, it's still as good as the day it come out of the factory and was made.
There's a beauty in something that's going to last or stand the test of time compared to products that don't. You can get new products that, oh, wow, that looks good. Yeah, but it's in 10 years. And that's the fact. Look at this building here. There's lots of things that are here. It's 16 years old. These things, even better than new because the sheens come off it.